Okay, foodie travelers. Welcome back to the third leg of our global food tour. We're taking on 5 more iconic dishes that should be on every foodie traveler's bucket list. First up, the land down under, where meat pies are a national institution. Skip the chains when in Australia and instead grab a flaky homemade meat pie at Harry's Cafe de Wheels, a legendary food truck parked by Sydney Harbour since 1945. Their pies are world famous for a reason. Now Spain's Basque country serves up the ultimate bar crawl experience in San Sebastian. Pinso hop your way from bar to bar, nibbling bite-sized masterpieces impaled onto slices of baguette with creative flavor combinations you have to taste to believe. Wash it all down with refreshing Sicily wine for the quintessential Basque experience. Heading north to Copenhagen, we dive into Denmark's beautiful open-faced sandwiches called smørrebrød. At restaurants like Schoenemann, rye bread gets topped with artful arrangements of Nordic ingredients like prawns, salmon, herring, cheeses, and even fried plaice fish. This is Scandinavian cuisine at its finest. Now for a little cross-cultural pollination in Canada's Quebec province, where French fries get smothered in rich gravy and fresh cheese curds to create the almighty poutine. Crispy on the outside, oozing with gravy and curds on the inside. Cue the happy dance. Last stop on this foodie whirlwind, Singapore, where locals are obsessed with chili crab. Get ready for a hands-on experience cracking into crabs wok fried in a sweet and spicy tomato gravy. Be sure to mop it all up with fried mantou buns. And that concludes our round-the-world food adventure, for now. Let me know in the comments which cuisine speaks to your soul. Until next time, happy eating, my fellow wanderlusters.